Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Gordon Frayne, and today we're back with another price prediction update, this time for Render. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below, hit that subscribe button as well, and if you want to get notified about similar videos, smash that bell notification icon. And don't forget to grab your free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. It's linked down below this video in the description. Grab it now while it's free, and let's get into the video. We have done plenty of other videos about Render on the channel. You can check those out. I'll leave links above here. But if you're not familiar with Render, guys, Render is an artificial intelligence token focusing on distributed GPU for rendering compute, and again supercharging your rendering with near limitless GPU power. So we got to remember that with this kind of rise of artificial intelligence, what we're seeing is huge increases in demand for compute. All of these projects, all of these new tools like ChatGPT, Microsoft, Apple, Google, Facebook, they're all launching their own artificial intelligence protocols and businesses, and all of those tools require vast amounts of computing power in order to process all of the queries that we are feeding them. So when we're asking the AI questions, when we're asking ChatGPT to come up with ideas to help us with, writing content, creating videos, all of this stuff that we're using ChatGPT and AI for requires vast amounts of computational power. And the whole idea with the Render network is that they are trying to create a decentralized version of computing power by allowing people to provide GPU in a decentralized manner, and for that GPU to be used by other people who are going to be the ones querying different AI protocols and leveraging distributed GPU to significantly reduce the cost that it takes for all of this huge compute processing power. So distributed GPU rendering network, that's what Render is all about. Again, you can read their white paper, you can check it out, you can see how, people can be either a provider or a user on the network. You can provide GPU if you've got the hardware to be able to do that, and people can use that hardware in a decentralized fashion and use your freed up GPU so they can process their project, whether they're generating, high quality images, whether it's audio, whether it's, video. We're going to be seeing the evolution of all of these AI tools over the coming years. They're going to get more and more powerful with the onset of artificial general intelligence, and we're going to be able to use them for more and more things like video, image generation, even better than it is today. So cloud rendering made easy, secure, and affordable. So again, you can see the whole idea here is making this whole concept of shared GPU elastic and affordable. So lots of very exciting stuff going on with Render. Again, you can check out their website, check out their white paper. In terms of price action, Render has had a very good year. We're up 143% since 365 days ago. We're currently sitting at a price of $5.13. And at the end of March here, we did get up as high as $13.15. And we broke above the $5 billion level in terms of Render's market cap on March 17th. So, we're currently sitting at about 2.65 billion, obviously down significantly from those March all-time highs. But the artificial intelligence narrative has been very, very strong for the past year. And I think that will continue as we move through the remainder of this bull cycle. So again, zooming out and looking at the price action, we are down since those March highs, but pretty much every altcoin on the market has had a drawdown since those middle to end of March peaks. If we look into the 1 month period, we are actually down 17% over the past 30 days. Again, could this be a good buying opportunity? In my opinion, yes. This is not financial advice, but we may not be seeing Render below the $5 mark. Again, we did dip down to kind of $4.95, $4.93 here on the 10th of October. But buying at these levels where we've been kind of going through this consolidation period for the past 2 weeks could be your best opportunity to get some Render before we really start seeing prices taking off. we are approaching the election. We are approaching the next FOMC meeting on November 7th, where we're anticipating further rate cuts. The knock-on effect of that playing out over a number of months will be more capital flowing into risk-on assets like stocks, like Bitcoin, and then rotations into some of the leading altcoins, just like Render. So this could be a good way or a good place to position yourself over the next few weeks as we move into the end of Q4 and Q1 of next year. So, we did make previous price predictions on the channel, guys, and we're going to jump in to see what that price prediction update looks like specifically for Render. But just very quickly, I've partnered with Phemex. Phemex are a great cryptocurrency exchange. You can check out everything over on Phemex.com. They've got a huge amount of different tokens available, all of your blue chip tokens, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and an extremely wide array of different altcoin tokens. Render is obviously available on the Phemex.com crypto exchange. You can come over to markets and search it yourself. I will be leaving a link below this video for Phemex down below. Check it out if you want to get more exposure to Render or other tokens that you might be adding to your portfolio. They have got a very, very strong list of different tokens in their markets. So come over, check it out. I will leave a link below. It is a referral link, so full transparency there. But check it out if you're interested in adding Render to your portfolio. So as always, we are going to be giving you an updated bear case, base case, and bull case price target for the price of Render. Remember, we normally have to make some sort of assumption when it comes to some of these variables, and we do look at the overall crypto market cap and where that could peak. We look at the percentage dominance that each individual token could get to by the peak of the cycle, and then we also have to divide the target market cap based on that peak of the crypto market cap multiplied by the dominance percentage. We have to divide that by the number of tokens in circulation for the particular asset. So in this case, we're estimating about 400 million Render tokens to be in circulation by the middle to end of 2025. So again, jumping back into our price prediction here, what we're looking at is the total crypto market cap peaking up around $4 trillion in a bear case. If Render can get up to a 0.35% dominance level, that's going to give us a $14 billion overall market cap for Render, and dividing that by 400 million Render tokens gives us a $35 price target for Render in a bear case scenario, which is about a 6.7x from today's prices. Next up, we've got a base case scenario. In the base case, what we're saying is the total crypto market cap could peak around $6 trillion US. If Render can get up to a 0.45% dominance level, that's going to give us a $27 billion overall market cap. Dividing that by 400 million Render tokens gives us a $67.50 price target, which is about a 13x from today's prices. I think we're currently sitting at about a 0.14% dominance level. So this bear case would be just over doubling, and obviously, doing about a 4x for the base case dominance percentage for Render. And finally, in our most bullish case scenario, what we're saying is the total crypto market cap could peak around $8 trillion US. If Render can get up to a 0.55% dominance level, that is going to give us a $44 billion overall market cap for Render by the peak of the bull cycle. And once again, dividing it by 400 million Render tokens gives us a $110 price target for Render, which is about a 21x from today's prices. So this is a slight revision upwards of our price target. I think it's mainly based on the fact that Render's dominance could go ever so slightly higher than what we previously anticipated. Again, none of this is financial advice. Render is one of the leading AI tokens in the entire crypto space. I think the AI narrative will continue to be strong over the next 12 to 15 months as we move through the bull cycle. But let us know below, are you holding Render in your bull run portfolio? Where do you think the price of Render is going to? Drop us a comment. Let us know what you think. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below. Hit that subscribe button as well. And if you want to get notified, smash the bell notification icon. And once again, don't forget to grab your free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. There is a link down below this video in the description for you to grab that book completely free. Do it now, and we'll catch you in the next one.